Christmas is over and it's time to take this damn tree down. Y'all, this is how I know it was bin time when the top lights went out. Like, I had this tree for 2 years and I can say next year we will not be doing what I will be buying me a really big tree to put in my really big ass house that I'm about to get. It's time for me to go ahead and get rid of this damn tree. I don't want the decorations. I don't want nothing. So I'm about to go ahead and take it down, throw this shit in storage and give it away. But yes, y'all, I was sitting here having a hard time like trying to figure out like how to take it down. And it's like, girl, you should know you the one who put it up. Like, baby, I'm the type of person, I don't mind putting stuff up, but when taking it down is what gets on my nerves. I be getting so aggravated taking crap down. But when I was trying to take this damn tree down, it's like the branches did not want to bend. I guess that's what I get for only paying $20 damn for this tree. Like, girl, hey, it is what it is. It has did its job for the last 2 years. I can say that. But these little freaking stand holders were so irritating. They were so hard to like remove. And then I was like, you know what? I'm not going to even try to keep trying to press this damn tree down. I'm going to start throwing this crap in the box. So I went ahead and started throwing it in the box, y'all. And the box acting like it didn't want to close. I was so irritated. Like, what the world? And then on top of that, I didn't even have no tape to even freaking close the box. But after I knew I had to go ahead and budget my groceries for the week. So my grocery budget is going to be $100 for the week. And I need to go ahead and get all the stuff that I have for meals for us for the week and price everything out. Because, baby, this year, 2025, Sylvia is going to be on a budget. We're not going to just be spending all this money just because we have it. Like, no, ma'am. We are going to be budgeting, getting our finances ordered because we got a big-ass house to purchase. I will be going on trips, and I will be selfish with me and my time. Like, I ain't got time for no other BS. So I need to make sure everything is lined up going through the Fiesta grocery thing. But if y'all don't know about Fiesta, Fiesta is like the Mexican Kroger's. Love it. The food there is so affordable. Best place to get your meat and seafood. So I went ahead and laid my son down earlier, y'all, and he hasn't been feeling well. Then I noticed he threw up. I'm actually on my way to take my son to the emergency room. He has been throwing up, and I just want to like see like what's going on with him. I'm that mom. I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I don't know if it's the flu or what, but he just won't stop throwing up. So it is 12 a.m. and I went ahead to call my mama, and she was like, hey, come get me. I'm going to go to the hospital with you and Zayden. Just make sure he's okay and just be supportive for you. So, y'all, it's freezing cold outside, 37 degrees. Went ahead and took my son to Memorial Hermann. I love this hospital because they have a children Memorial Hermann ER in the back that a lot of people don't even know about, which I absolutely love because every time we come here, I only be in a regular ER for 10 minutes and he gets seen. They are so fast, so polite. Customer service 10 out of 10, highly recommend. So the doctor ended up seeing him and said like, hey, he's fine. He just has a really bad stomach bug. Just keep him hydrated. Give him Tylenol and Zofran and he will be okay. Then y'all, we left there at 3 a.m. and this mama is tired. So I went ahead and spent the night at my mama's house, and later that morning, I went ahead, got home, took a shower, got Zayden dressed, gave him a shower, and I'm about to go ahead and give him a quick snack before I start my day. When I tell y'all I'm literally running off of 5 hours of sleep, like, this mama don't ever get no time to herself. But hey, a mother's job is never done. Comment down below, what would you do? Would you sit there and let your child throw up, or would you take them to the ER? But if y'all enjoy this type of content, be sure to follow your girl for more. Toodles. Bye, y'all.